In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. If you need to share a spreadsheet with someone who uses Microsoft Excel, the good news is that Google Sheets makes this very simple. In most cases, your formatting, such as cell colors, borders, fonts, alignment, and basic formulas, will carry over smoothly when you export the file correctly. I'll walk you through the process so you can do it quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet you want to convert before moving on. It's a good idea to quickly review the sheet first, especially if it contains styled headers, colored cells, merged sections, or formulas. That way you'll know exactly what to look for after the file has been downloaded and opened in Excel. Once your sheet is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This opens the main menu for your spreadsheet, where you'll find options for creating copies, sharing, printing, and downloading your document in different formats. From the File menu, move down and click on Download. This is the option that lets you export your Google Sheet out of Google's native format and save it to your computer. When you hover over or click Download, you'll see several file type options available. From that list, click on Microsoft Excel with the .xlsx format. This is the standard Excel file type and the best choice if you want to keep the spreadsheet as close as possible to the original version in Google Sheets. After you click it, the file will begin downloading automatically, depending on your browser settings. In some cases, it may appear right away in your downloads bar or your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the Excel file and take a moment to compare it with the original Google Sheet. Check that your formatting looks right, especially things like column widths, text styles, colors, and any important formulas. While Google Sheets and Excel are very compatible, a quick review is always worth doing, particularly if the spreadsheet includes more advanced formatting or functions. And that's it. By downloading your spreadsheet as a Microsoft Excel file, you can convert Google Sheets to Excel while preserving most of your formatting with just a few clicks. It's a fast and reliable way to prepare your spreadsheet for Excel users, offline access, or file sharing across different platforms.